All right, guys, we're back at it again for a third video this week. Just when I thought I was out, they find a way to pull me back in. All right, guys, Memorial Day sales. So basically none of this stuff made RC Weekly for this week. So this is going to be like an amended video for RC Weekly. We're going to cover the new sales that are popped up for Memorial Day. And so let's go ahead and dive in because I've been deep diving. There's a lot of like hidden gems that we need to talk about and a lot of models that are like rock bottom price with these coupon codes. So let's go ahead and dive in. First up with A Main Hobbies, we have the Memorial Day sale, 10% store-wide coupon, Mem Day 26. I'll go ahead and put that down in the comments just in case you want to copy it. We're going to take a look first at everything that's on sale. And then there's a couple models that I need to talk to you about that are a pretty big deal. So we're going to go to on special. So a lot of this stuff, basically anything ARMA or like Horizon Hobby related, ARMA, Losi, Axial, is not coupon code restricted right now. But one big one that has been coupon code restricted but is not for right now is Team Associated. So the SR7 Hoonigan, we've been talking about this guy for well over a month, but go ahead and click on this model. $299, that's like absolute rock bottom price. I think actually, yeah, I have it up right here on the dashboard. You can see $300 is by far like rock bottom price for this guy. But here's the kicker. It is not coupon code restricted. So if you use the 10% off on this guy, you can save an additional $30, getting that thing all the way down to $270, which would like go even further lower in price. I mean, sub 300 for a 1/7 scale on-road car from Team Associated, SR7. Pretty good deal. I know a lot of people have been buying these up. They're still available. You can get it even cheaper now, enough to at least cover like tax and stuff. So not too bad there. Figured I'd point that out for you guys, and we'll keep on rolling. None of the Traxxas stuff is coupon code, or all of the Traxxas stuff is coupon code restricted. So keep that in mind. You can't use coupon codes on Traxxas stuff. What else? ARMA. Okay, so here's the big one, guys. I want to talk to you about this. The Losi Promoto Supermoto. So this guy is already on sale this week from A Main Hobbies, 25% off down to $449, and it's also not coupon code restricted. So if you go to RC Price Tracker at fastrc.net, like right here on the very first page of the dashboard, I have the Losi Promoto, so you can see the graph. This is the version that includes the battery and charger, so this was always the more like expensive version. Rock bottom price on this guy is $450 back in October. So we could see that price of $450 is rock bottom price, and then adding an additional 10% off gets you down to $400, guys. Like, I mean, that's that's a cheap price. The only time I've seen the Supermoto cheaper was the non-battery charger version on Black Friday. They had that thing down to $299, but this one has the battery and charger. So $400. I mean, that is by far rock bottom price on this model in particular. So check it out. The other one that doesn't include the battery and charger, I think, was actually discontinued. So this is the only one that remains. But wow, what a sale, guys. Like, geez, like, so already, you know, $150 off plus an additional 10% for basically another $50 off almost. So yeah, actually get you like the 405 is what it would be. But wow, crazy good deal on that guy. So let's go back. Those were the two big ones I pointed out that I saw that I was like, wow, like I almost can't believe they're on sale like that. And not coupon code restricted, which is crazy. So keep rolling through. What I would do if I was you guys, just roll through, like go through the cars and trucks, right? And then just filter out for on special. So you'll see what's on sale. A lot of it, you know, stuff that we already talked about, but they do have some other ones that popped up. So like this Associated RC10 6x6 semi truck is on sale for $299, and it's not coupon code restricted. So once again, you can knock off $30 on that guy, get it down to $270. And then a bunch of other Team Associated stuff is no longer coupon code restricted also. Another really surprising one, let me pull this up for you guys. Kyosho stuff on A Main Hobbies right now is not coupon code restricted, but at Horizon it is. So that's another one to kind of take a look at. Trying to spell live on air. What I wanted to show you guys, and if you guys follow RC Weekly, you know, I've talked about this model a couple weeks ago. So the Outlaw Rampage Pro 2.0 that I featured on a video a couple weeks ago, available for pre-order now from A Main Hobbies. It's $299, But look at that, not coupon code restricted. So if you wanted to pre-order this guy, you could actually knock 30 bucks off of it. And I went and tested it for you guys. I actually threw it in a cart, applied the coupon code, and it does work. It gets it down to 270, basically 269.99. Not too bad for a brand new Rampage Pro 2.0. It's not even out yet. Only available for pre-order. So heads up for you guys on that one. Another great deal. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see, let's double check my notes real quick. Yeah, that was pretty much the extent of it. Oh, and then the Arma Mojave kit that we talked about earlier in today's video of RC Weekly, that is also not coupon code restricted, so you can knock 10% off, which would be basically 17 bucks. You can get it down to 153. Also a pretty great deal. So just killer deals, man. So that's just A Main. That's just 10% off. Over at Horizon Hobbies and Tower Hobbies, they got the exact same deals going on. Memorial Day, save up to 25%. So these are tiered coupon codes. So up to 250 bucks, you can get 10% off. 250 to 499, you got 15%. 500 to 1,000 is 20%, and then 1,000 above is 25% off. There are some restrictions though to keep in mind. They got them down here. So none of the 1/5 scale Armas like the Creighton and the Arma Outcasts. No Axial SCX 30s, no King Tech MIP Kyosho brands. And I thought I saw somewhere too that the, maybe it was here, the new Losi, the 5B, the new fit scale, I thought that was also like not included as well. We might have to test that one. But anyways, same exact coupon codes from Horizon Hobbies to Tower Hobbies. These are also really, really good. So I got some stuff I need to talk to you about on these too. So first up, Losi Super Baja Ray. This is the 8S huge short course truck. With this one will qualify for the 20% off coupon code. Puts it down to $760, I believe, which is by far rock bottom price, lowest price we've seen, outside of the scratch and dent model that we found a couple weeks ago. That was $750, but $760 for this truck, killer deal, guys. Let's keep rolling through. So I just brought up all these models. So basically all this stuff is fair game. Like the trail honchos, you can save, I believe 20% on this guy. So it'd be $200 off. The Arma Felony, any of these Arma products. This guy, the Losi 5T, I could have swore I saw that this one is not coupon code, or that is coupon code restricted. Not sure. Yeah, it wants me to log in. I'll have to dig into that for you guys later. I'll let you know if it is coupon code restricted or not. But yeah, I could have swore it said it was. Anyways, let's keep on rolling. Tons of stuff in here. So like you can knock off 10% off a Quake Grom, or any of the NASCARs, or the new Gorgon Quake 22 or Gorgon 223S. I think that would be actually 15% off, which would get you down to, gosh, I don't know. Low 200s, not too bad. Same thing for a Quake. So yeah, all things considered, pretty good stuff. Let's go ahead and roll through the dashboard, because I had a couple other things that we needed to talk about. Let's take a look. Okay, oh yeah, this one, forgot. So the Arma Infraction at Horizon Hobbies, if you go ahead and order this guy, so it's $449 base price, 15% off on that guy, gets you down to $380 plus or minus a few bucks, which would definitely put it around, as a rock bottom price also. So sub $400 is crazy good, especially for a fairly new model like this guy. Gosh, what was there? Anything else? Oh, I also forgot the Techno models. So kind of showing you guys my notes. Let's see, take a look at the brands. So also things that are available to be discounted here are any of these Techno models. So like they got the MT48 2.0, which is 4x4 monster truck, and then they got the smaller MT410 2.0 monster trucks also. And then any of these short course trucks and buggies, they're all coupon code eligible. You can knock off anything from 15 to 20% actually. So some of these guys that are over $500, which is honestly like most of them, you can get up to 20% off, which I think I want to say that on this like MT48 2.0, the lowest or the biggest discount code I've seen on that guy was, there was a Tower Hobbies flash sale that was like 25% off, which got it to like low 400s, but 20% still a killer deal, especially for a really, really nice monster truck like this. So good stuff there. I think that's pretty much going to cover it, guys. Double check the graphs here. Oh yeah, the Outlaw Rampage 2.0. You see here, it's just popped up on the graph or the dashboard in the last couple of days. Can't believe you can already use a coupon code on it. It's crazy. And then the SR7. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to point out some pretty killer deals out there that are kind of like really hidden inside of the site. You have to go actively seek them out and see if they're coupon code eligible. But yeah, just want to make you guys aware of it. So that's my amended version of the current sales for RC Weekly for this week. I hope you guys got something out of this special sales episode. Let me know what you're thinking down in the comments, and I'll see you next week. Take care, guys.